done. Welcome! This is Angelique and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell beside it to get notified every time I post a new video for you. Today, guys, is going to be the second part of my I Tried Following a Makeup Tutorial series that I promised you about. So without further ado, if you want to see how I do in this video, then please keep on watching. So guys, sabi ko nga dun sa first video ko, dun sa I Tried Following a Rise of Kontami Makeup Tutorial, yung second part ng series, it's going to be following an international beauty YouTuber. And nakita nyo nga sa title ko, it's gonna be an I Tried Following a DESI Perkins makeup tutorial, guys. In every sense of the word goals, goals ko talaga tong si DESI Perkins. She's one of my favorite YouTubers, makeup YouTubers. So I thought this is gonna be an ode to my love for her. So let's see how I'm gonna fare. So let's start. Oh my god, ang ganda niya. Actually, I chose this video kasi it's almost summer, so this is gonna be the perfect look. And love ko talaga yung colorful lip. So, let's hope I pull it off. Especially, medyo nakitib na ako ngayon. I hope it's not gonna look awkward. Parang awkward yung hair ko. At dahil dyan, I will try to put on some lashes because I have always been skipping that part.
My nails are so bad.
Oh my god. Okay, she's starting.
Honestly, for any makeup look, you have to take care of your skin. Depending on what kind of look you're going for, you use different products. Right now, I want to look super luminous and dewy. This is the Pixie Lotion.
Again, treat this video like the way I treated my first makeup tutorial. Wait lang. It's you using the makeup that you have in order to recreate the look. I don't have everything, but I'm gonna try and make do with what I have. She is going in with a moisturizer with something luminous, and wala ko nun. So I'm just gonna be using my current moisturizer, which is this Glossier Priming Moisturizer. And let's play.
Has a sheen to it, so you guys can see right there. It kind of reminds me of MAC Strobe Cream. Going in with Makeup Forever Primer. This is the Radiant Primer. Like I said, I want to look radiant. Makeup Forever.
And then primer.
So we're just going to apply this primer. So a tip for summer makeup.
Okay, primer. I'm gonna be using my Clinique Even Better Essence Lotion. So I'm just gonna pat it also on my face.
I like to apply my brows before my foundation.
Brows first.
The reason I do that is because if you apply...
That's something new for me kasi lagi akong nagka-foundation muna.
Tends to oil up and wear off. So if you put your brows on top of that, your brows may also tend to fade in your more sparse areas. That's my tip. I always apply my brows first. The pencil just makes the hairs look more hair-like when you do it this way because there's no like mushy.
She's using a pencil.
Going in really lightly with the It Cosmetics.
Okay, she's using a pencil. I wanna try and use a pencil din. I have this Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. I used to use this before. So I'm just gonna... Let's go back to the video. Tingnan natin kung ano na nangyayari. But I'm still gonna use my K palette. Okay, I'm just gonna finish my other eyebrow and then let's go back with the video. Okay, that's it. Not too overly drawn. Let's go back.
Brows to just make them a little bit bushier, but I'm gonna wait till after my foundation.
Foundation.
I really have been loving the It Cosmetics CC cream.
I slightly have a problem kasi medyo nakitim na ako, diba? I got darker. So, yung mga foundation ko, hindi ako sure if it's gonna match. Very lightweight lang daw. Which is what I really intend to do for this makeup. Okay, she's using her hands. I don't think this is my shade. I think it's too white. But, baka madaan natin sa blend. So, let's just see. I think I want to use my powder.
I like to apply CC cream. It's kind of like how you apply moisturizer because I feel like it's
Para lang i-build up ng konti yung color. And yung coverage.
normal foundation. I usually
Wait lang. Conceal na siya. But I'm just gonna lightly run over my face with this brush. Spot conceal.
I also like the Angelique concealer by Makeup Forever for blushes.
I actually have a lot. Okay, let's use our finger, and I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer.
Concealed our blemishes. I like the look. We can still see skin. It's not like super.
Whoops! Wait. I'm still in the process.
So you have under eyes to conceal. Just take a little bit of concealer.
Under eyes.
Apply it there. Just take my beauty blender and blend it out. Let the chin. Any cupid's bow.
Whoops! Wait. Dito lang muna daw. Sabi niya, on the cupid's bow, the tip of the nose lang. But her nose is super pointed eh. And then the chin area, which is perfect because I have my pimples there.
So I'm just going to set the under eyes really quick using the Kat Von D contour kit. I like to use this peachy color. And
Whoops! She's gonna set it na. I'm gonna use my NYX Mineral Set It, Don't Fret It powder. Let's see what she's doing.
just a dab of this light color and sweep it under the eyes. I don't want to apply too much powder, but I do crease.
Just
so
sweep
just
it.
set the under eyes. So next, I'm going to use NARS Laguna Liquid Bronzer.
Okay. And then she said she's gonna be using a liquid bronzer.
Deeper skin tone because
Okay, well, I'm liquid bronzer, so I'm just gonna stick with my usual, my Hoola bronzer.
I light and it's in the shade Soft.
And then she says she's going with
Apply that.
the highlighter. So I'm still gonna be using my classic Sleek and blend it in. Medyo gusto ko nang i-blend siya with Beauty Blender para mas nag-blend siya sa skin ko. Diba? Let's watch kung saan niya pa ilalagay. Oh my god! Tama yung ginawa ko. Kasi she blended it out
I'm gonna go
also.
right over that cream highlight with a powder highlight.
Oops! Wait lang. Naglagay siya ng MAC Fix Plus, I think, if I remember it correctly. So, spray natin. Oh my goodness! Let's see kung saan niya pa ilalagay.
Going into my Lorac 10 Tango
Ano, C formation. Okay. Iba na siya.
Oh.
Oh, wait. Meron na something shimmering on her Cupid's bow and her nose, which is something I missed. That highlight though, guys. Anyway. Okay, mas nagtaan pa siya. At dahil wala akong ganoon, nag-powder ako agad. Balikan natin si Hoola Bronzer. Ito lang yung mga bagay na dapat binabalikan. Okay, guys. Okay? Charot.
So I'm just gonna go straight on to
Nose.
the eyes now. In the eyes, I'm only gonna use one eyeshadow.
One eyeshadow?
This is from Suba.
Okay, wala ako ng palette na yun.
I'm gonna apply it with my finger.
Okay, she's gonna apply it with her finger and bronzy yung color, which I don't have. So I'm just gonna look through every palette I have. Okay, let's watch this one. Okay, I think this works. I think it's bronzy enough. Pero kulang siya ng shimmer for me. So I'm just gonna mix it with a gold color. So I'm gonna be using my Maybelline The Nudes palette. So I'm gonna use this bronzy color, this one. I'm gonna mix it with my powder highlight.
I'm just gonna pack it all over the lid.
Okay. Right off the bat, hindi niya kakulay. So far, just looking at my hand. I think it's not that bad. Parang kulang ng ibang shade of copper. So, let's get another shimmery color, this one. I wanna put it on just a little bit. Okay, I think it's working, but it's not as intense. I'll try this one. I'll add this one. Okay. Ayan na. Dinaya natin, hindi lang isang eyeshadow ang ginamit natin. Sa kanya, isa lang. Okay, I'm not mad at it. So, let's see what she's gonna do next.
What's cool about this eyeshadow?
Blending brush.
I'm gonna run that.
Okay. Sa lash line, sa lower lash line, brown eyeshadow. So, let's do that. Go back.
The lower lash line is Caramel by Beverly Hills. It's gonna make it pop a little.
Okay, a little bit darker. Wait lang. I'm gonna go back with the brown. Yeah. And then what she's doing now.
Lastly, for the glow on the face.
Okay, wait. Ang dami na naganap.
I'm trying to glow today, so I like to apply a light layer of this over everywhere I apply bronzer.
Okay. Light layer over everywhere she put on the bronzer. I'm gonna be using my fan brush instead. I want to go and use this one because this kind of looks like the highlighter she's using and mix it with this one. The same shades I used for my eyes.
I'm gonna take my Anastasia
Use this.
with Make Swift.
Okay, she went back with the eyebrows.
Kind of give
I'm just gonna go back with my K palette.
Now we have a little bit of like
Okay. Tapos na naman siya. And since hindi siya like eyebrow mascara, I'm just gonna quickly put on some eyebrow mascara. Glossier Boy Brow in clear.
bushy brow.
She is on with the eyelashes. Oh my god. Eyelashes na momshi.
Curler
I'm just using this eyelash curler.
is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara.
So, I have my eyelash set. Nakuha ko to sa Miniso. I actually bought this for the other makeup tutorial I'm gonna be doing. But since parang medyo marami naman siyang laman, I'll just use one pair.
This, I'm gonna be using Pixie Lux by House of Lashes. So that's
Diba? Pinakita niya kung paano niya nilagay. Sige, papakita ko din. And then, just put it. Let's put it first in the middle. Okay. Ay, yung glue. Don't make it sa eyeshadow, momshi. Paano ba yon? Push ko to. Hindi ako susuko. Maglalagay ako. Eyelash curler. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, ayan na! So, I'm just gonna do the other one off cam kasi baka mga 30 minutes ulit. And then, I'll be back. Ayan na nga po. Hindi ko sure kung tama yung ginawa ko. Pero, ituloy na natin ang video. Basta nakalagay ako. Okay, guys. Oh my god.
the lashes on. Now we're gonna do the lip.
Okay,
Too
lips!
Faced. It's one of their new melted matte liquid lipsticks, and it's
I'm gonna use Dose of Colors Hot Fire para ode na rin kasi this is her product. That's just one dip. Oh my god, hindi ko sure kung bagay ko siya, but
it's really bumpy. So I'm gonna make it into a beauty mark.
okay. She's gonna do a beauty mark. I'll use this dark color. Doesn't actually look bad. Oh, medyo lumaki, momshi.
You want to go over the beauty mark that you make with your powder.
Okay,
So
with a
it's
powder.
makeup sitting on top of it, so it's like a little less big looking.
Okay.
And now to completely finish off the look, I'm gonna use the Caudalie Beauty Elixir spray.
And that's it for for this video. Of course, I love the bold lip, pero medyo na-awkwardan pa ako because I'm not sure if it suits me or not. Anyway guys, I hope you liked this video. Again, this is the second part of my I tried following a makeup tutorial. If you haven't seen the first one, then I will leave the link over here. I hope dito yun, if hindi dito. And don't forget to watch out for my third installment for this series. I'm actually super excited to do that. And that's a wrap, you guys. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you still haven't, and click the notification bell beside it to get notified every time I post a new video for you. Hope you enjoyed this. This has been Angelique, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!